Good morning, dear students. I am Jyoti Valivia, lecturer in English, JMJ College, Tenali. Today, I would like to talk about restoration period. Yes, let us see the different status of the pictures of the John Dryden. Yes, these are the restoration poets. You see, the names are Alfred Ben, John Wilmot, George Ethercher. The period from 1660 to 1700 is known as the Restoration period or the age of John Dryden because monarchy was restored in England. Dryden was the representative writer of this period. The Restoration period of English literature roughly lasts from 1660 to 1688. It begins with Charles II returning to the throne following the rule of various republican governments that ruled England from 1649 to 1659 after Charles I was executed June 7, 2015. English poetry and drama should follow the style of French writers. You see, John Dryden was born in August 19, 1631, Alwinsel, Northampton. He was died on 12th May 1700, London, England. He was an English poet, literary critic, translator, and a playwright who was made England's first poet laureate in 1668. He is seen as dominating the literary life of Restoration England to such a point that the period came to be known in literary circles as the Age of Dryden. Romanticist writer Sir Walter Scott called him Glorious John. Essays of dramatic poesy, Absalom and Archibald. The beginning of the Restoration began the process of social transformation. The atmosphere of gaiety and cheerfulness and moral laxity was restored. Rapid development of science. Royal Society was a landmark in history of England. The theatres were reopened. Morality was on the wane. There was laxity everywhere in life. Yet these tendencies of the age are clearly reflected in the literature of the period. Literary characteristics of Restoration age. It reflected the spirit of age, the spirit of corruption and moral laxity which were predominant in the social life of the Restoration are reflected in literature. The growing interest in science resulted in the beginning of rational inquiry and scientific and objective outlook. The literature of the Restoration period marked the complete breaking lies with the Renaissance literature. The following are the chief features of the period: rise of neoclassicism, imitation of the ancient masters, realism and formalism, correctness and appropriateness. Poetry of Restoration age. His poetry can be conveniently divided under three heads: political satires, Absalom and Archibald, and the middle doctrinal poems, religion lore and the Hen and the Panther, the fables, the Palamon and the Orchid. Prose of Restoration age. The Restoration marks the beginning of modern prose. Matthew Arnold remarks, the Restoration marks the rebirth of our modern English prose. Restoration in drama. The theatres which were closed in 1642 were opened during the Restoration. The Restoration heroic tragedy. The Restoration tragedy is also known as the heroic tragedy. John Dryden was the protagonist and writer of the heroic tragedy. His famous tragedies are Tyrannic, Love, Conquest, and Grenada. Restoration comedy of manners is also known as comedy of manners, fashionable introduce, sex, marriage, and adultery. Let us conclude the points. The style of French writers were copied. Two important writers emerged, John Dryden and John Bunyan. Drama and poetry, prose were restored. Imitation of the ancient masters, realism and formalism, correctness and appropriateness. Thank you.